Everybody, Dr. D here again, and today I want to present a couple of short videos that incorporate the concept of how things work. Because obviously there are a lot of moving parts, particularly when we're dealing with an evaluation such as the matrix assessment profile that takes into consideration the function of the whole person. Now, one of the preliminary issues is called preconception. So what happens before the sperm and the egg get together? This is part of a quantum physics conundrum called the unpredictability factor, or the issue that deals with probability amplitudes, meaning that the more energy there is in one particular system, the more likely that system is to be attracted to a similar system and produce a result. Now, we don't have any way of measuring this, but it is a factor in terms of what happens prior to you becoming an embryo. And then once you have become an embryo and you start to grow in the womb, other factors come into play. One of the first factors influencing the three major influences of the matrix assessment profile are the structure, the biochemistry, and the psychological, emotional, and spiritual influences. Now, prior to all of these being expressed in whatever way, shape, or form, there is a set of influences called core biological needs, which we're all born with. Same needs, all of us get the same basic foundation, and these are essentially needs that each of us need to have met or unmet, and the degree to which they're met or unmet are going to dictate the degree to which the three primary influences are going to contribute to the biological environment. And so you have the core biological needs, you have the three major influences that determine the integrity of the biological environment, and then you have a lot of subsequent influences that we're going to talk about in upcoming videos, such as what you focus on expands, such as we are the biological end product of our interpretation of our perceptions. Now, these are all kind of abstract concepts when taken individually, but when taken as a whole and incorporated into the concept of the biological environment, we see the true value in the matrix assessment profile and the subsequent evaluation that results from looking at the various compromises, the deficiencies, and the imbalances in the biological environment, and assisting us in determining where these imbalances, compromises, and deficiencies originate and what symptoms are produced as a result. So for more information regarding all of these influences and everything that I've just briefly touched on, by all means, please join us on our membership site, and certainly inquire by either sending an email to the office, drd.matrix@gmail.com, or by giving the office a call at the 800 number. And so until then, I'm Dr. Richard DiCenso, and thank you for watching.